use fractions in everyday life. Cohen, just go to the principal's office.
Look, I sent for your mother. Things have just gotten out of control here. Now, she's gonna take you home today.
He can't help.
Sorry, what did you say?
He said he can't help it.
Right. You've got a bright boy, Mrs. Cohen. But making excuses for him...
Brad,
this
come on, let's go.
Question.
Let's go.
Tourette's syndrome.
I've never actually seen a case of Tourette's before.
This says there's no cure.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay, Mom.
When I was little, Mom never stopped researching because while there was no cure, there might be ways to live a normal life.